Okay, Terry, back with the 94 Ford Ranger. We've got the gas tank here all cleaned up. Now we're getting ready to assemble it. So one of the things here, we got this here tank vent valve. It's got a rubber grommet. I went ahead and got one, not knowing what kind of condition it would be, but actually it looks like it's okay. Nonetheless, I already had one, so I got a new one here, so I'm just going to use it. Here's this here vent valve, just so you can get a shot of it. And it's got a little valve in there. It's free. You can hear it. Okay. If you want to get that, just for reference, there's a part number. Okay. Gotta get a little Vaseline. Kind of put some down in there. Okay. All right. Get a little light over here. Get some of this Vaseline off. You see it good? Okay. Gotta take and put a little bit on the inside. Okay. Let's wipe off a little bit of the excess. Let's take a valve. Let's stick them straight down in there. Okay. Alright. Gotta put a little bit of duct tape on here. Keep it sealed while we get this thing installed. Okay, we're going to get the duct tape on there. Just kind of fold it back. Alright, that'll keep the trash out until we get it up in there. Let me tell you about these straps here. This here is a front strap. Okay, see, it's got a little notch here. It's a cutout up on the frame. I'll show you later how that's going to go in there. Okay, got the bolts all cleaned up. Now this one down here, that's going to go in there just like this. Remember, this is our middle strap. Cut out, goes into the frame, cut out. This here part of the strap right here is on the rear of the tank. Okay? Now let me show you where they're actually going to be located. Okay, this here front strap, I'm going to put this strap in this here cutout where he's pointing to right now. You see, he goes in. Now he's going to have to turn it 90 degrees. And then he's just going to let it drop down. Okay, now we're going to get the middle strap and we're going to do the same thing.
Alright guys, let's have a look. See the slot here? We're going to put this latch in there. Just turn it.
Okay, so we see how it's going to go, but we're going to have to drop the strap down to get our fuel tank in. So just let it swing down. There you go. Okay, on this here, now we're going to put some anti-seize compound on these here threads that's on the bolts for these straps. Okay, now point out there's another one we've already done. That's for the front strap, and then the bolt for the rear strap is already done too. Okay, we got the tank in. Now right now we just got the bolt here on the rear strap. We got it just finger tighted right now. We also got this here middle strap bolt. It's finger tighted. Now the only other bolt we got here for this here front strap. So I'm gonna have to go up under the vehicle to get that. So I'm gonna crawl underneath and I'll get him started. Okay, I'm up here on this front strap bolt. Looks like the tank is in position, so I'm gonna go ahead and snug this thing on up. Okay. Okay, right now we're doing the middle strap bolt here. So now we're just snugging him on up. Okay, right now we're on the rear strap bolt here. We're tightening him up now.
Just have to put this guard on. So there are 3 bolts. One is at the back, which I'm just hand tightening now. Right there. The second is a U bracket, which goes in here. See these holes? It will insert it from the.
Line it up. Get it up. Get it from the top side.
Yeah. From the top. Let's get it in, and then we just tighten it. There's one gone. Second one.
I already got the strap for the, we're doing the shield here, we're bolting it up. Now as remember, there's a bolt right down under here. It's at the very front. I've already got that tightened up. So now we're tightening up these here 2 nuts that's on this here U-strap. Alright. Last one for this is going to be this one right here. By the way, those were 15 millimeters for the nuts. This one right here for the middle is going to be a 13 millimeter. Okay. Guys, we got the fuel tank in. We got the shield wrapped around it. It's bolted in. So everything's looking good so far. So we're going to close this video out. Kind of keep them a little bit short. Kind of make them more manageable. Kind of, in case you guys want to search on something out there, sort of break it down. So in the next video, we're going to be putting the sending unit in. We're going to be putting the fuel pump in. We're going to put the filler hose pipe on. We're going to make a test on the sending unit, the new one, before we stick it in. Let's see, I think after that we will check our gauge, make sure he works, and then we'll crank it up. And then we'll wrap up that video. So anyway, I want to appreciate you guys watching, and if you have any questions, any comments, let me know and I'll try to answer them for you. And also be sure to subscribe if you're interested in this video or other videos. You know, go ahead and subscribe, and that way it'll send an email to you, and that way you'll be notified of any future uploads that we do. All right, appreciate your time. Okay, bye-bye.